Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today, we're going to be making some salsa. I've come to find out, now that I'm older, that I've actually really enjoyed salsa a lot. I prefer it warm, though. So let's get started. So we're going to start by preheating the oven by 450 degrees. And now, we're going to chop our vegetables. We're going to chop 13 Roma tomatoes, 2 beautiful Valdelia onions, 2 spicy jalapenos, and a handful of garlic. Now that you've chopped all your vegetables, you're going to want to roast them in the oven for 35 minutes. Now that you've roasted your vegetables to a deep dark color, you're going to want to put them all in a bowl. And then once they're in that bowl, you're going to start blending them and add a handful of cilantro. Honestly, if you're not a huge fan of cilantro, then add less. You're going to want to season to taste with a pinch of cumin. And then, there you have it. That is it. You've made your own salsa. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of myself. This salsa is fucking delicious.